Hi everyone, this is Satyaprakash and today's session is how to deploy Angular Material COVID-19 into production for free. Also, before going through this session, visit my last video session regarding how to deploy Angular application is Firebase hosting and steps to fix this issue. If anything you have faced during deployment of Angular application in Firebase hosting. So I'll show you what these two video sessions are there. So go to my YouTube channel. So here and in Firebase playlist you can find two videos. First one is deploying Angular app to Firebase hosting in easy steps, and the second one is steps to fix welcome screen after deploying Angular app to Firebase hosting in minutes. So I suggest you visit these two video sessions before going to uh, this one. So this two video session will you find all the basics what is requirements for this. After then you will visit this Angular material deployment to Firebase hosting. Okay, now go to my sheet. So today's agenda is we'll learn that what is Firebase console and steps to add projects in Firebase console. So what is Firebase console is Firebase is a mobile and web application development platform which is developed by Firebase and that was acquired later by Google in 2014. And what are the steps to add projects in Firebase console? That is, you can deploy your Angular application in live, that is in Firebase hosting. So I will show you. That is I'll visit this console.firebase.google.com, and here already have created one project, that is Satya Mat. And you can, if you want to create new project, then click here and the name of your project. Okay, now list of Firebase commands using CLI console, and after the successful execution of all these commands, you can generate a live URL of Angular material project after successful deployment. So there is a few commands there. You can execute these commands using Visual Studio Code step by step and in a sequence order. So I'll show you what are the list of Firebase commands using CLI consoles are. So first an initial command is Firebase command is, that is ng build --prod and AOT, and this build process will create a dist folder with the production files, and you can so it will be generated automatically. So there you can find all these production files there after successful execution of this command. And next one is, that is npm install -g Firebase tools, and this command is specially you can install the Firebase tools globally by using npm command. And next one is, that is Firebase login, and whatever you have created project using login Firebase account, so the same login account you need to use for Firebase login. So Firebase login Firebase account and initial using Firebase tools by running the command to login Firebase account, and this will open a new tab in the browser to enter the log details. After then you can get a successful login message to the in the browser. And the next one is Firebase init, that is initialize. You need to initialize the project with the Firebase using the command. So connect the Firebase project and select Firebase services you want to use for Angular project by running. So here I use the hosting Firebase service, that is hosting. So I'll show you how many Firebase services are there at the time of execute the Firebase init. So there is a list of Firebase services there. One is database, another one is Firestore, third one is functions, fourth one is hosting, fifth one is storage, and final one is emulators. So my requirement is I want the Firebase service, that is hosting part, that where we can configure and deploy Firebase hosting sites If you, as per your requirement, you can select the Firebase service you want and execute the and select the this Firebase service as per requirement. And the final and last uh, uh, last one Firebase command is Firebase deploy. This is the last one and final one, where you can generate your live URL, and for whatever you have deployed Angular Material project in the Firebase hosting. So in Firebase deploy command, this command will upload the files to the server. That is where you have created the project in Firebase console, and it will return the URL, that live URL generated after successful execution of this command, where our Angular project deployed. So finally deploy the Angular project to Firebase hosting after successful deploy execution of this command, that is Firebase deploy. So all these things I have described in details my previous videos, which already have suggested for you earlier of this session, that is 2 video sessions in Firebase regarding Firebase uh, session. So please visit these 2 videos before going through this. Okay, so after then I got this URL after successful deployment of Angular Material COVID-19 project in Firebase hosting. So I have created this Satya mat here. So I'll show you Satya mat project. I have deployed my Angular Material COVID-19 application. So you should check your hosting part. So in hosting part you will find the URL, and another option is you also can find the URL after the successful execute of the command, that is Firebase deploy in using Visual Studio Code. So here is my URL I have got, that is extension with .web.app and another extension with .firebaseapp.com. So if you click here, that is already have deployed and that is on live, this URL you can access globally anywhere in the world. So finally my Angular Material COVID-19 project is on live, so I can access anywhere and in the world and any places. So here is my live URL. So if you want, that is access, that is India, and you can export this data also using various formats, and there is some index there, there's pagination there, and also I'll show you if there is no also there sorting mechanism I have deployed here, and you can see sorting is working as expected. And there's an items page. If you want 10, also this is 10 records per page you will find, and there's a pagination. If you want next page, you want to go to last page, if you want to first page, you can do here in your live URL. And if any data is not found, then it will show the no records found, as we have already I have already described in my locally. The same things I have deployed in live one. So it is very user friendly, and you can access for free your live Angular Material COVID-19 project for free by deploying your application in using Firebase hosting. So next one is okay. So finally we have generated our live URL of Angular Material COVID-19 project. So I have already described what are the functionality we had earlier. We had already have earlier in our local. The same things we have got in our live URL. So next one is, this is my YouTube channel, where you can get the up-to-date knowledge on .NET Core, Angular, SQL Server, and Cloud and Azure. And please subscribe and share it. Okay, now it is the summary part. So in this part we already have learned that is what is Firebase console, and how to add this project using Firebase console, and how many list of Firebase commands using CLI console to which you can execute all these commands sequentially, order by one. So after the successful execution of all these commands, you can generate the live URL of your Angular Material COVID-19 project after successful deployment. So this one is the final session of Angular Material COVID-19 project, and we already have generated our live URL. So please before going through this session, visit the last visit two video session based on Firebase session that is already have shown you earlier of this session. So thank you guys for listening and have a great day. Thank you very much.